Your Florida home is here in Turnkey, so you can move right in. Includes furniture, linens, dishes, etc. Living area is an open floor plan and the split bedrooms each have their own bathrooms. Master is large with ensuite bath, long closet area. The second bedroom has entry to attached bathroom and a separate guest access through the hallway. Both bedrooms and living room have sliders that lead out to the lanai. The home has been updated with tile throughout and fresh Florida tropical colors. The huge lanai is all set for relaxation, overlooking the mangroves, offering loads of privacy. The privacy fence around the courtyard hinges to add more light and breeze into your lanai. The community offers low HOA fees, is pet-friendly, has 3 community pools, tennis and pickleball courts, bocce ball and amp, a dock with Gulf access. Dock space is available for lease. Located in highly sought-after Foxmoor Lakes. It is conveniently located between US 41 and amp, I-75, giving easy access to both Southwest Regional Airport and Punta Gorda Airport,